Air-sea containers offer a range of infectious substance packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category B infectious substances. Our code 760 is suitable to be sent via Royal Mail Standard Postal Service and can also be used with our thermal control packaging. Category B infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which in this example consists of leak-proof primary receptacles, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent material and cushioning will also be required. Always refer to the Code 760 assembly instructions when assembling this package. The Code 760 Postal Pack comes pre-assembled with a pre-printed UN3373 label. Place the sealed leak-proof primary receptacles within the absorbent cushioning material. Add the receptacles into the leak-proof secondary packaging. Place the bio bag into the outer box. Close the outer box and seal with foil tamper evidence seal. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for any other necessary consignment information.